Today's guitar day, and I'm going to show you a finger and picking exercise that will help you play better. Okay, so let's start. Alright, for our fretting hand, we're going to use the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th fret of the 6th string. Basically, those are the frets that we're only going to use. We're going to use 1, 2, 3 fingers. So it's like a chromatic riff, okay? Like that. But we're just going to hammer on most of them. You're just going to pick the first note, 5th string, 6th string, 5th fret, and you're hammering on 2nd finger and 3rd finger on the next fret. So 5, 6, 7. You can see my picking hand is just picking down one time. Hammer on, hammer on. There you go. Now, we're not going to use a pick. We're going to use our middle finger for picking, and we're going to pick. Okay, so we're going to practice those 2 strings for now. So now you realize this is what we call a hybrid picking, because we don't just use the pick, we also use the other fingers, but this is just the picking fingers and your middle finger, okay? Now here's the exercise. Again, we're going to put them together, 6th string and 5th string, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 frets. Hammer on only, you're only picking the first note of each string, and then scan, okay? Now practice that 4 times in a row. There you go, until it feels comfortable and you build muscle memory, okay? So we're going to connect another same pattern down on the 5th string and on the 4th string. So it's going to sound like this. See what I mean? So practice that 4 times also. Like that. Okay, now to play it faster like that, you're basically just hammering on, you're tapping with your fretting hand fingers. Just tap it. Like that. And the next. I'm using my index finger, my ring finger for the 4th string. And then put them together. Now let's go back to the 6th and 5th string, and then 5th and 4th string, and then we're going to do that to the 4th and 3rd string, 3rd string and the 2nd string. I'll do it again. I hit another string there, like that. Okay. Now if you hit another string, that means you're picking too hard. That's what I just did, so pick a little softer with your picking finger, especially that middle finger. And then 2nd and 1st string now. There you go. Okay, so we're going to put them all together slowly in the beginning. So the group, think of groups: 6th and 5th string, 5 and 4th string, 4 and 3rd string, 3 and 2 string, 2 and 1 string. Think of them as groups, not the whole exercise, okay? So first group, second group, you're basically repeating the last group, or the last string that you just fretted, okay? And then third group, and then like that. Now we put them together. Now take your time with this one, okay? Eventually you're going to be able to play it. Okay, do it again. There, so eventually you'll reach that speed, but it will take a little more practice and repetition to get muscle memory. It's just muscle memory, really. Repeat that first group 4 times. And then next. Notice my picking hand fingers. then put them all together. You go in one go, but still thinking of groups. There you go. So I hope this video helps you out on your guitar journey. Good luck with you, and I'll see you in our next lesson.